Ancient Indian culture has always had a great respect for the cow. It is believed that the place where the cow and calf live in peace and harmony progresses and prospers. Milk, one of the precious and nutritious boons of nature. Truly wholesome milk promotes healthy body and mind. The taste of such milk is cleanliness, purity and nourishment. One brand that stands tall on all three parameters and has emerged as a leading presence in the milk industry in India is Sonai Milk by Indapur Dairy and Milk Products Limited. Sonai is synonymous with trust. Sonai is an epitome of purity. Let's understand the story of the sumptuous pure Sonai milk that is an integral part of our blissful mornings. This is a true story from Indapur district, a place just 130 kilometers from Pune. The amazing story of a man, Shri Dashrath Mane, alias Dada, who envisioned and realized a wide dream in the year 2002. Shri Dashrath Mane, a visionary personality with an enlightened mind and empowered wings. 7 years in Indian Army made him a man of steel with rock-solid determination. With his prompt and perfect decision-making powers, he rose above his dire poverty, and then sky was the limit. New horizons beckoned him. During 1996 and 2000, he served as the chairman of Agricultural Produce Market Committee in Indapur, where he was socially responsible and he did considerable good work for the farmers. During this time, as a wholesaler, his contacts grew immensely. The milk industry was complementary to agriculture. In spite of this, due to unreasonable rates and delayed payments, the farmers in Indapur unwillingly threw the additional milk on the street. Dada aimed at changing this situation. With the help of the farmers, he established Indapur Dairy and Milk Products Limited. With its clean milk production program, reasonable rate, timely money, state-of-the-art technology, highest quality and unwavering customer trust. In just 10 years, Sonai Group of Industries has taken a giant leap from 20 crores to a whopping 1500 crores. All thanks to Dada's unending quest for the farmers' welfare. The milk collection is mounted up to daily 15 lakh litres from the meager daily 2500 litres. Sonai Dairy focuses on clean milk production and also gives farm management training to the farmers. Keen attention is given to the hygiene of the stable and the hands. Pre- and post-cleaning of the milk vessel is taught with demonstrations. Guidance is given about special care of the cows, cleaning their udder respectively with water and sanitizer before and after milking. They can avail of consultation from a veterinary doctor. All this culminates into improved health of the cows and enhanced milk production. The milk is tested with stringent quality parameters right in front of the farmers. It is also checked whether it is adulterated with water or other impurities. Freshness of milk is observed and many tests are performed to accept the milk in ultra-modern quality control laboratory. Farmers are always motivated to supply natural milk through clean milk production program, and in return they are provided with high rate for high MBRT milk. The collected milk is stored in the instant chilling center. Sonai Dairy has total 40 chilling centers and 100 bulk milk coolers in Pune, Solapur, Usmanabad, Nagar and Beed district. To retain the quality and flavor of the milk, it is cooled at 4 degrees Celsius at the chilling center and is carried in the same temperature in an insulated tanker to Sonai's high-tech dairy plant. Natural quality of the milk is retained because of the immediate cooling, which helps reduce the growth of bacteria. Prior to milk processing, the color, flavor and quality of the milk are checked at the plant as well. The milk sample is tested at the well-equipped laboratory. If any abnormalities are found against Sonai standards, the milk is subject to rejection. The milk accepted through this strict quality filter is forwarded for calorification, bacterifugation, homogenization, separation and pasteurization process. All these processes are done through food-grade stainless steel pipes and tanks. Food safety and purity is guaranteed because of the high-tech and automatic machinery with skilled manpower. Random checking is done again after packaging. Computerized recording is done of every step in the entire production process and its consequences. This is controlled by technically sound officers. Cleanliness of the plant staff is mandatory. The entry to the plant is given through only one door, which comes through the hygiene block. 2 lockers are given to each staff member of the production department to keep his personal belongings and casual clothes. The second locker consists of clothes cleaned by the Netherlands-based Lindstorm company. Every staff member enters the plant only after wearing these hygienic clothes. In the dark of the night, the Sonai vans take to the roads to deliver fresh milk to the customers. And as it dawns, we have the best quality, healthy, hygienic and nourishing Sonai milk at our doorstep. Every day, 1.5 lakh liters of Sonai milk and another Sonai brand, Rajnandan milk, is delivered to Pune, Satara, Mumbai, Nanded, Latur, Solapur and even to Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Sonai milk is trusted implicitly by the customers in and outside of the state. This distribution chain has facilitated many employment opportunities. In addition to milk, Sonai is renowned for related products such as Sonai skimmed milk powder, Sonai whole milk powder, Sonai butter, Sonai dairy whitener, Sonai Shrikhand, Sonai Amrakhand, Sonai flavored milk and Sonai ghee. Sonai ghee is available in packs of various sizes and is in huge demand from the customers of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Because of its purity and quality, Sonai ghee is used in the prasad of the famous Balaji temple at Tirupati Tirumala, the Sai Baba temple at Shirdi, and the Ambaji temple in Gujarat. Clean, pure and wholesome Sonai cow's milk and milk products are the first choice of the discerning customers. World-class companies like Britannia, Mother Dairy, Gits Foods are giving preference to the Sonai products. Such as skimmed milk powder, Sonai ghee and Sonai butter, which are hot favorites in national as well as international markets. Sonai products are exported to more than 25 countries. Top-notch international dairy projects are asking for Sonai skimmed milk powder, full cream milk powder, dairy whitener, butter and ghee. Sonai is fastly emerging as a very big exporter in this segment. Sonai is focused not only on healthy and hygienic dairy products, but also contributing to environmental conservation with water reuse and electricity management. The steam used in the evaporation plant is not wasted but gets converted into water and reused as hot water required for the boiler. Water used for cleaning and line washing is purified in the ETP plant and is used for the garden. A generator of 100 kV power is run by biogas generated from the ETP plant, and the electricity is used for street lights and water purification. For water management, 2 huge water storage ponds have been created, wherein minimum 100 days of water usage can be managed. With such impeccable and comprehensive quality, Sonai has acquired national and international accreditations such as HACCP, ISO, Halal, BIS, Agmark and FSSAI. The buildings and machinery have been designed as per international standards. With the personality as pure as milk, the seed sown by Honorable Dada is a huge tree today. The Sonai Group of Industries, sheltering and supporting thousands of families and touching lives in multiple ways. Mani Dada, himself being a grassroots farmer who has had the brunt of poverty, always strived for the overall development of the farmers. Mani Dada garnered goodwill and trust of countless people and dealt with them humanly rather than just practically. His colleagues and associates also have their share of hard work in this monumental movement. Dada arranged many programs to lead the unemployed to the milk industry. He mentored them in self-employment and got their loans approved through the Sonai Credit Society. He opened an ITI training institute and made many youths self-sufficient. Success successfully implementing latest technology bears testimony to Dada's dynamism and determination. For approving loans from the Credit Society, for buying animal feed, for purchasing a two-wheeler, tires or petrol, Dada was always ready to give services through the organization. He always cared about the welfare of his milk producers. The loan is given at discounted interest rate and the repayment is easily done through the milk bills. Hence, the farmer is free of any burden and surely progressing to prosperity. Sonai Agro Sale Company, Atul Mane and Company, Sonai Pratishthan, Sonai Bajaj, Sonai Petrol Pump, Sonai Tire, Sonai Credit Society, Sonai Milk Cooperative Transport Organization, Sonai Agricultural Processing Factory Limited. With the core values of social commitment and service, all these projects have been trailblazers in their own right. Sonai envisions and aims to be among the top 3 milk processing plants and exporters in India. New horizons are beckoning from the firm foundation of quality and technology. The brand Sonai is all poised to take off in the international arena. Thanks to the vision of Dada, the Sonai Group, this white revolution is the lighthouse of progress and prosperity and the glory of Indapur.